You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name and more confusing names too, so stay tuned. Loads to learn on this channel. In British English it's said as Carlyle. Stress on the first syllable, Carlyle. Carlyle. In American English it's usually pronounced more as Carlyle. Carlyle. It's easy. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Sorry for the noise, but thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.